When we think of superpowers, we imagine comic book heroes with impossible abilities. But what if I told you that the natural world is full of creatures that possess abilities so extraordinary, so mind-bending, that they make our fictional heroes look ordinary? What if I told you that some animals can create light underwater with a single punch, or survive the vacuum of space, or mimic sounds with such precision that they can trick even the most advanced audio equipment? Today, we're going on a journey into the hidden world of animal superpowers based on quantum physics and sound. We're uncovering 5 creatures that defy the laws of physics as we know them. These aren't just interesting facts, they are windows into the astonishing ingenuity of evolution. And I'm going to share with you not just the science, but my own experiences learning about these incredible animals. I remember the first time I saw a video of a mantis shrimp punching its prey. I watched it over and over, completely mesmerized. I thought it was some kind of visual effect, but it was real. And the science behind it was even more incredible than the video itself. So grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let me guide you into the world of animals that break the rules of physics. Secret number 1. The pistol shrimp creates a shockwave hotter than the sun. Let's start with a creature so small you could hold it in your hand. The pistol shrimp is a tiny crustacean that lives in tropical oceans. It's unassuming, almost invisible, but it possesses one of the most powerful weapons in the animal kingdom. The pistol shrimp has a specialized claw that it snaps shut with incredible speed. The snap is so fast that it creates a cavitation bubble, a pocket of water vapor that collapses with explosive force. When this bubble collapses, it generates a shockwave that stuns or kills prey instantly. But here's where it gets truly mind-blowing. The collapse of this bubble creates a flash of light and generates temperatures of up to 5,000 degrees Celsius, nearly as hot as the surface of the sun. This phenomenon is called sonoluminescence, and it's one of the most mysterious and fascinating processes in physics. I remember reading about this for the first time and thinking, how is this possible? A tiny shrimp, no bigger than your thumb, creating the heat of the sun with a single snap. The secret is that the pistol shrimp is essentially using the power of cavitation to create a sonic weapon. The shockwave is so powerful that it can break aquarium glass. Scientists have studied this process to understand the physics of cavitation, and it has applications in everything from medical ultrasound to industrial cleaning. The pistol shrimp is a living testament to the power of physics in the natural world. It's a creature that doesn't just survive, it weaponizes the laws of nature. Secret number 2. The mantis shrimp can create light underwater with its punch. The mantis shrimp is a colorful, iridescent creature that looks like something from another planet. It's found in tropical oceans, and its beauty is matched only by its ferocity. The mantis shrimp has club-like appendages that can accelerate with the speed of a bullet, striking prey with a force that can break aquarium glass. But here's the twist. The strike is so fast that it creates a cavitation bubble, just like the pistol shrimp. When this bubble collapses, it generates a shockwave that stuns or kills prey instantly. And again, this collapse creates a flash of light through sonoluminescence. The mantis shrimp is one of the fastest movers in the animal kingdom, reaching speeds of over 50 miles per hour in just a fraction of a second. I remember watching a slow-motion video of a mantis shrimp strike. It was like watching a cartoon. The movement was so fast that my eyes couldn't even track it. The mantis shrimp's punch is not just about brute force. It's about precision and timing. And here's another incredible fact. The mantis shrimp has some of the most complex eyes in the animal kingdom, with up to 16 different types of photoreceptors. This means it can see colors and polarizations of light that we cannot even imagine. The mantis shrimp is a living testament to the incredible diversity of life on Earth, a creature that defies our expectations and expands our understanding of what is possible. Secret number 3.
What?
The tardigrade can survive the vacuum of space. Tardigrades, also known as water bears, are microscopic creatures that look like something from a science fiction movie. They have 8 legs, a plump body, and a face that seems almost alien. But their appearance is nothing compared to their abilities. Tardigrades are among the most resilient creatures on Earth. They can survive extreme temperatures, from near absolute zero to well above boiling point. They can withstand pressures 6 times greater than those found in the deepest ocean trenches. They can survive without food or water for decades. And they can even survive the vacuum of space. In 2007, researchers exposed tardigrades to the harsh environment of space for 10 days, and when they returned, they were still alive. Tardigrades achieved this remarkable feat by entering a state called cryptobiosis. In this state, they lose almost all their water, shrivel up into a tiny ball, and pause their metabolism. They can stay in this state for years, waiting for conditions to improve. I remember reading about this and feeling a sense of wonder. Here was a creature so small that you could fit 1,000 of them on the head of a pin, yet it could survive the vacuum of space. The mechanisms behind this resilience are so unique that scientists are studying tardigrades to develop new methods for preserving human cells and organs for transplantation. These tiny creatures may hold the key to medical breakthroughs that could save countless human lives. Secret number 4. The lyrebird can mimic any sound with astonishing accuracy. The lyrebird is a remarkable bird native to Australia. It's a creature that looks like it stepped out of a prehistoric forest, with a beautiful tail that it fans out during courtship displays. But it's not just its appearance that makes it special. It is one of the greatest mimics in the animal kingdom. It can imitate almost any sound it hears, from the calls of other birds to the sounds of human activity. But here's the twist. The lyrebird doesn't just mimic simple sounds. It can replicate complex sequences of sounds with astonishing accuracy. It has been known to mimic the sound of a chainsaw, the shutter of a camera, and even the sound of a car alarm. I remember watching a video of a lyrebird mimicking a chainsaw, and I had to check to make sure it wasn't a recording. The sound was so precise, so perfect, that it was indistinguishable from the real thing. This ability is not just for show. Male lyrebirds use their mimicry to attract mates during the breeding season. The more diverse and accurate their repertoire, the more attractive they are to potential partners. The lyrebird syrinx, the vocal organ of birds, is incredibly flexible, allowing it to produce a wide range of sounds simultaneously. The lyrebird is a testament to the power of evolution and the incredible diversity of animal behavior. It reminds us that the natural world is full of surprises and that we are only beginning to understand the complexity of animal communication. Secret number 5. The archerfish is a living physics problem solver. The archerfish is a fascinating fish that lives in brackish waters of Southeast Asia. It has a unique hunting technique that sets it apart from almost every other animal on Earth. It shoots a powerful jet of water from its mouth to knock insects off branches above the water's surface. This jet can travel up to 2 meters, and the archerfish can hit its target with remarkable accuracy. But here's the twist. The archerfish doesn't just shoot blindly. It compensates for the refraction of light, adjusting its aim to account for the way light bends as it passes from air to water. The archerfish is effectively solving a complex physics problem in milliseconds, a feat that would challenge even the most advanced computer. And here's another layer of wonder. The archerfish can adjust the force of its jet, depending on the size of its prey. It's a master of precision and control. I remember watching a video of an archerfish shooting down an insect from a branch, and I was stunned. The fish was calculating angles, adjusting for refraction, and delivering a perfect shot in less than a second. The archerfish is a creature that has evolved a unique hunting technique that is both elegant and effective. It reminds us that evolution is not just about survival, it's about innovation, about finding new ways to thrive in a changing world. The archerfish is a living physics problem solver, a testament to the power of natural selection. These 5 secrets reveal the incredible diversity of life on Earth. The pistol shrimp creates a shockwave hotter than the sun. The mantis shrimp creates light underwater with its punch. The tardigrade can survive the vacuum of space. The lyrebird can mimic any sound with astonishing accuracy. And the archerfish is a living physics problem solver. The natural world is full of superpowers, and we are only beginning to understand the full extent of its wonders. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the incredible abilities of the animal kingdom, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. We have more mind-blowing facts waiting for you. And if you want to support us, check the link below. Special thanks to our supporters. This video is possible because of amazing people like Sarah J. from London, Mike R. from Texas, Emma W. from Australia, Carlos M. from Spain, and Alex K. from Canada. You guys are the reason we keep uncovering the secrets of the animal kingdom. If you want to join this awesome community, check the link in the description to support Science Snack on Ko-Fi. Every contribution, big or small, helps us create more content for you. Thank you.